All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So MiUi10 just hit Xiaomi phones. So if you have a Xiaomi phone, check it out and see if you got the 10 update. It is absolutely great, man. I mean, the differences are visually are really nice. So there's a few things that are different here. And I'm going to go through the things that I've noticed right away on the surface. Obviously, performance is going to be better, but I don't know yet. So I'll give that update later on. But check your Xiaomi phones. This is actually the Xiaomi 5 Plus. Obviously, this is one of the older phones, and it's got the update. So, and I don't mean old, but Xiaomi is known for updating their phones. So this is what it is. So let's kick this thing off. Let's get it going. I'm just going to go through here and show you some of the things. I've been playing with this. I'm going to show you some of the things that I found that obviously visually are different. So when I hit the volume button, I was like, oh, snap. This is different, you know? So they basically kind of animated the volume rocker and changed this menu around. You can see that's what it looks like now. Animations and everything are smooth. And, you know, that's how that looks. So next, if I swipe down, you can see this menu is absolutely different as well. I mean, this is just really a more clean, polished look. Is what it is. You've got access to your brightness right here too, from here. So you know, take note of that. I'm gonna go ahead and go into settings from here. So you can see they kind of cleaned up the settings menu, and you got your MIUI Global 10 ROM up there. It's a stable ROM, and that's absolutely fantastic. So in here, though, you know, the phone appears to be running smooth still, and I'm not gonna say it's running any faster because at this point I don't know yet. But they basically kind of cleaned up the UI and tweaked it just a little bit. If you remember what this looked like prior to this, then, or if yours isn't updated yet, that'll give you a good reference to compare yours to. So they've cleaned it up, man. They did a good job. And now. When I go into, see, I can long press now on setting, and I go down here to settings, and I can go to more down here, and I've installed some different launchers. And so this is a quicker way to get to changing your launchers. So here's all the launchers that I have in here. So I'm just going to choose this one, and then I'm going to go back out, and it should change here. See if it changes. Should give me the option. There we go. I think it's changing now. There we go. Took a second, but it changed. And now I have this launcher on here. So you can, and it's fast with this launcher too. I just basically, I formatted my phone also, by the way. This was a big update. So I formatted my phone. You don't have to do that, but I chose to do that. You know, that was just a preference that I wanted to do just to make sure I got a nice clean install. Because the only thing I have on this phone is just, social media stuff, you know what I'm saying? And I just use this for phone calls when I do. But you know, visually, it obviously looks a little bit different. They tweaked it just a hair, and I'm pretty excited that I can't believe it actually got the I can't believe it actually got the 10 update, man. That's crazy. I love it, man. And I don't know what to say. It's one of those things that I wasn't expecting it, and then I got it, and I was like, whoa. You know what I'm saying? Somebody actually tweeted out or something like that. Oh no, they said it on one of my videos or something like that. So this phone has 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs onboard storage. It's a 2 gigahertz octa-core processor, so it's pretty fast. I'm pretty excited about this, man. So I'm gonna play around with it some more, and you know, I'll let you guys know, you know, how the performance is later on. I'll give you an update or something like that. But everything is still here, man. Everything is still here, running smooth. I'm loving it. Yeah. This is good. So stay tuned. I will bring more stuff back on this phone just to show you, you know what I'm saying, the differences in the two. Oh, that's another thing that's different. The recents menu is different. And then also up top, you can see how much is available. Yeah, also I have obviously the quick access to the split screen, but I like this look right here. This kind of reminds me of BlackBerry. I really like that, man. It's nice, man. It's a nice addition, a nice little update. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Yeah, this is nice, man. You obviously automatically disable in here. I'm just kind of scanning through here, see if I can find something different, but I'm liking it, man. I don't see too many things that are different besides visual. I know performance, they said, is gonna increase and it'll get better performance. But other than that, man, again, you don't have to do a factory reset on yours, but I did it, you know what I'm saying, because my phone, there was nothing really on here that I was worried about losing. So I just went on ahead and did a factory reset and did a clean install once I realized that it was actually going to be that way. So it's your man Jay. Wow, MiUi10, absolutely great. This is where you can get in here and change the icon pack. So if you're running any kind of different launches or anything, you can change the icon pack. Boom, now you got different icons. That's the good thing about the MiUI. You know, there's not much I need to do in here like this, man. This is sweet. This thing is really fast too. Gosh, I'm loving it. It's like a brand new phone all over again. So anyway, this is running 8.1.0. As you can see right there, 8.1.0. And they got their own little custom little thing in there. But that's what it is, man. I'm loving this, man. It's a stable ROM. It's good. Security patch is August 15th. Yeah, it's good. All right, man. It's your man Jay. Quick video for you guys on this beautiful phone. still in rotation. All right, I'll see you in the next one.